Hello, Dr. Sale. This is a brief demonstration on how to add a Turnitin assignment to upload your students' papers in your Moodle course. Okay, I'm currently in your EDDL 6100 Section 61 course. As you can see, this is the front page of your Moodle course. So first thing you want to do to add a Turnitin assignment or a Turnitin upload link is to click on Turn On Editing for your course. Okay, this is going to open up the editing options. Okay, the next step, what you want to do is you want to click on Add an Activity or Resource. Once you click that, you're going to be presented with an activity or resource selection screen. If you scroll down until you see Turnitin assignment, you want to highlight that, click that little radio button, and click the add button at the bottom of the screen here. What that's going to do, it's going to take you over to the setup page where you can include vital information for the particular activity. In this case, for the Turnitin assignment name, you're just going to name it whatever the name of the assignment is. I'm just going to put test. In the next section under the summary, you're going to type in the instructions. In the case of if you want your students to submit these papers on their own, you're going to type in the instructions, any detailed information that you want them to know about the assignment. So I'm just going to put test for this video demonstration. Okay, below here, you have some advanced options. This is going to be a submission type. It's going to be a file upload. You also have the option to do a text submission. But in this case, I'm assuming you want to submit some papers via like Microsoft Word document. All right, so we're going to select file upload. You can also select a number of parts. We're just going to keep it at 1. And you also want to make sure that the size limit is at least 20 megabytes. All right, right here, the student originality reports. This option gives you yes or no. What this means is that once the plagiarism test has been ran, you can either allow your students to view that originality report, or you can not allow them to view it. In this case, I'm just going to choose yes. Everything here at the bottom, you want to leave default. These are the advanced options for Turnitin to scan the databases on the internet to make sure that there's no plagiarism that is taking place. You just want to keep everything default. You can also choose what grade you want to assign based on the results. In this case, I'm just going to leave it as default for 100. And other than that, you want to come to the bottom here, click on Save and Display. Okay, on the next menu, it's going to display your assignment detailed information here. Let's give it a few seconds. The next page is basically going to allow you to change any due dates, start dates, etc. for the assignment. Okay, just waiting on the internet. It's a little slow. Let me click on Save and Display one more time. But while we wait on the internet, this is basically how you add a Turnitin upload link to your Moodle course. You don't have to go to any outside Turnitin.com website. We have everything integrated into Moodle, so you can go into the Moodle courses and add the links. Okay, here's our summary page. As you can see here at the bottom, you have a start date, due date, and a post date. If you need to adjust those to meet the requirements of your assignment, you want to click this yellow icon, looks like a pen or a pencil. It gives you the editing options here. And then you can go in and you can change the start date, due date, and the post date. Quick note, post date is basically the date that Turnitin will release the originality reports to your students. Usually it's going to be after the due date. All right, you can also adjust your score for the assignment here also. So let's click on cancel. Okay, in your case, I'm not sure if you are going to allow your students to click on the link and submit the papers by themselves, or if they've turned those assignments into you via email and you have a digital Microsoft Word copy on your computer and you want to, as an instructor, submit those papers on your own. What you're going to do here, but regardless of whatever way you're going to do it, you're going to click on Submit Paper. You as the instructor, you have access to everybody in your class here. So this is the Add Submission screen under the Submit Paper tab. So we're going to in your case, you would choose, if you want to submit them on your own as the instructor, you're going to click on one of the students' names here, type the name of their assignment, click on choose file, and you're going to search your computer where you have saved their digital copy of the paper. Then you're going to click on add submission. You would have to do that for each and every student until you get all of their papers submitted and to turn it in. Once the submissions are turned in, you're going to click on the submission inbox here, and it's going to show you a screen, and it's going to have listings of all of your students. And once those papers are submitted and scanned, they're going to give you the similarity results listed here. Okay, that was just a brief demonstration of how to add, and I'm going to go all the way back out to your course page. This is how to add a, and it made a duplication here. That was a mistake. This is how to add a Turnitin assignment link to your Moodle course. There is no need to go to an outside Turnitin website. Everything is available within Moodle. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to submit those documents on behalf of your students to get the results, or you can allow your students, once you put it in the course, they can go in themselves, click on test, or whatever the name of your assignment link is, and they can submit those papers on their own. Okay, I hope this video demonstration was of help. Have a great day. Bye.